Oh my goodness. Look what was in the blender. Hi guys. Look at all of these M&Ms in her blender and microwave. Oh my goodness, it looks so yummy. Let's go ahead and open up the microwave. Are you ready? I don't know if you're ready. Are you sure you're ready? Yeah, are you ready? Ready? Here it comes. Oh. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, there's so many M&Ms. And look who all fell out. Oh my goodness. Let's look at everyone. We have Marshall from Paw Patrol. He fell out of the red M&Ms because he wears red. We also got Zuma. He was in the orange M&Ms because he wears orange. Next up was Rubble from the yellow M&Ms. And then Chase with the green ones. Wait, this is Rocky. Rocky in the green ones. And then Chase with the blue ones. I would think about Chase a lot. And then last was Skye. She was with the purple M&Ms. Scoot over, guys. We don't want Skye to fall off. Look at our cute Paw Patrol with our microwave. Oh my goodness, that looks so fun. Okay, we need to pull all of these M&Ms out of the microwave now. Oh my goodness. Can you have too many M&Ms? I don't know, because I can't even... Oh, there's so many. Okay. Whew. Let's get all of those out of the way. Oh, there they go. There we go. So we can close the microwave. Oh my goodness. Okay. There. There we go. Now, let's put some stuff in the microwave and see if we can get something cool. Like Skye. Let's put Skye in their microwave and see what we get. Let's see. I'm gonna press this chicken button. Let's do that one. Oh my goodness. She got really big and turned into a ninja. Pup Foo Skye. Oh my goodness. That was cool. Oh, go back in. I'm happy that's how Skye turned out. Let's keep going with Chase. I wonder what Chase will turn into. This time, let's click, baked potato button. Let's do that one. Ooh, yum. We got Ninja Chase too. That's just awesome. Look at his button. Oh man, Pup Foo is awesome. All right, let's keep going. Next up is Rocky. Let's see, for Rocky, let's do popcorn. Oh my goodness. Look, it's Rocky. He's a ninja too. Everyone's becoming a ninja. Whatcha? Pup Foo. We're not gonna be able to fit everyone on the microwave. Rubble, are you ready? Go, Rubble, go. Go, Rubble, go. I'm gonna do the T-bone steak. Oh Yes. Oh, Marshall! Rubble turned into a pup foo ninja too. Oh my goodness. Wow, okay. We only have 2 left. Zuma and Marshall. So let's put Zuma in. Oh no! Paw Patrol fell off. It's getting a little too slippery back there, huh? That's okay, you guys can stand right there. All right, let's do this chicken leg. Oh, what? This one's not a ninja. It's a super pup. Chase is a super pup with a cape now. Oh, that's cool. Marshall, you're the last one. On yours, we're gonna do hot chocolate. No way! We got another super pup, Marshall. Look at all of our cool Paw Patrol now. Oh, they're pretty sweet. All right, next up, we gotta pour out the blender. Are you ready? Oh my goodness. Look what was in the blender. Ooh. Oh my goodness, there's Shopkins. Let's go ahead and look and see what's in there. Okay, look at this cute one. It's a cute little mask. So let's see. I got our little paper here. And on here, it says Maddie Mask. Cute Maddie Mask. Let's see what else we can find. This one's a cute little cake. Let's see. It's a pink cake. So it's gonna be under Princess Party. And it's Queenie cake. Let's see the next one. How about this one? This one's Popcorn King. Cute. We got Queenie cake and Popcorn King right by each other. Ooh, look at this one. This looks like a birthday party or surprise party. Yeah, look, this is Gracie birthday cake. We have a lot of food on this one. Ooh, we also got some balloons. These are a lot of balloons. That's funny. Look how cute they are. And this is the last one. It's a little cupcake. Where's our little cupcake? Is it on this side? Yep. It's a Sarah Fairy cake. Aww. That was fun. That was a lot of M&Ms too. Alright, say bye to all the Paw Patrol and Shopkins. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Hi guys. What is Chase doing in the microwave? Chase, get out of there. He wanted to play with the gumballs. Then he got stuck in there. Yeah, but that's okay. We'll let him out soon enough. Yeah, like right now. Oh my goodness. Look at all those gumballs. Oh my goodness, Chase, are you okay? That was awesome! I bet it was. Oh my goodness. Look at all these gumballs. Wowza. Okay, well, I think that's enough gumballs for anyone. Okay, then why don't we go ahead and get you guys all fixed up and ready. We're gonna go on a big race today, okay? Okay, me first. All right, Skye, you're gonna go first. Let's get you all ready. Look! Skye got all ready. Look, she's in her driving outfit. You look so good, Skye. Oh, you're all ready to go, aren't you? All right, next up, Marshall.
I'm on it.
Oh my goodness, look, Marshall, you changed just as good. You guys look so good. Look, they're in their good driving outfits. They look awesome. Rubble, you want to go next? Yes, I need to put on my driving stuff. And this just makes it go magical. That's right. Okay then. Oh, Rubble, good job. You turned into your crazy driving outfit too. All right, Chase, you're the only one without your driving outfit on. I know you got your crazy blasters out, but you gotta change into your driving outfit like everyone else. Okay, there we go. There, Chase, you're all ready now too. Look at our Paw Patrol, all ready to go and get their driving on. Except, where are your guys' cars? You left them? We have to go get all of your cars? Yeah, I don't know how we're gonna do that. You know what? We're gonna use these gumballs right here. Chase, why don't you go ahead and go first? You get in the microwave and I'm gonna hand you some gumballs. There, we gave Chase 3 gumballs and he better come back with his car. Yep. Oh, thank goodness it worked. Chase, look, it worked. Woohoo! It worked! It worked! Yeah! Woohoo! Oh, Chase got his cruiser back. Awesome job, Chase. Me, I need mine. Let me go. Okay, Rubble, you get in there. And here's 3 gumballs. Now come back with your ride. There we go. Oh, check it out. It's Rubble in his dozer. He can get through anything with that drill. Oh yeah. I bet you're so excited. All right, Marshall, you're next. And I'm going to give you 3 red gumballs. Alrighty then, here you go. Oh, Marshall, you did it! Woo! Woo-hoo! Marshall got his car too. Good job, Marshall. I knew you could do it. All right, Skye, you're the last one. And we're gonna give you purple gumballs. 3 purple ones. Okay, here we go with Skye. She's the last one. Oh yes, look, we got Skye too in her awesome motorcycle. But watch this. Whoop, now it's a hovercraft. Awesome. Okay, let's take away the microwave. Okay. Whoop. Now we have all of our Paw Patrol here with their cars, and let's send them off on a race. Okay, everyone line up. All right, say bye to your Paw Patrol. Bye, Chase. Bye, Rebel. Bye, Marshall. Bye, Skye. I'm gonna fly away. Woohoo! Say bye.
Bye-bye.